Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus TCM. A failing transmission control module can cause significant issues, such as jerking during shifts, delayed gear changes, or even stalling. We'll cover the entire process, from initial diagnosis to post-installation checks. This guide will help you understand each step, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement. Let's get started on restoring your vehicle's smooth performance. Before beginning any work, it's crucial to disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. Next, you'll need to remove the airbox assembly to gain access to the TCM, which is usually found on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Once visible, carefully unclip and disconnect the two main electrical harnesses from the module. These can sometimes be a bit stiff, so gentle wiggling helps. With the connectors removed, you can now unbolt the old TCM. There are typically 4 10mm mounting bolts securing it to the transmission. Once removed, carefully separate the old module. When installing the new TCM, ensure the O-rings are properly seated and lubricated. Line up the new module with the bolt holes, secure it with the 4 bolts, and then firmly reconnect both electrical harnesses until they lock. After the new TCM is installed and all connections are secure, reconnect the negative battery cable. It's highly recommended to perform a TCM adaptive learning procedure using a diagnostic tool, such as Ford IDS or for scan, to ensure proper shifting. This process helps the new module adapt to your vehicle's transmission. Finally, take your Ford Focus for a test drive, allowing the transmission to relearn its shift points for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.